Good evening and welcome to tonight's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. The 2017 staging of the RJR Gleaner Communications Group Kingston Music Week celebrated its 4th year of showcasing Kingston's cultural and musical legacy. From December 3 to 9, events such as creative tourism, hits at the mill, and dance expressions production from then till now all put our entertainment product on display.
That we will be demonstrating is
It's hot and rolling. Finally, the video for Grammy Award-winning dancehall artist Sean Paul and newbie Shenseea has been released. Rolling, which was shot in Kingston, was officially dropped on Sean Paul's Vivo page today. Directed by Ruption, the video feeds a fantasy with Shenseea, Sean Paul, seductive female mummies, and a magical flute player. The Rolling single was released on August 8, and since then, the two have toured Europe together. On the international scene, top acts have been recruited for a reggae album titled The DJ Grid Project. The album features tracks from British pop sensation Ed Sheeran, Damien and Stephen Marley, Capleton, Safari, Wyclef Jean, among others. It's a 9-track set which was released recently by labels Amada Recordings out of Atlanta, Georgia, and locally by Contractor Music, and has been receiving favorable response on the international market. It now sits in the number 7 spot on the iTunes Reggae Albums chart. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.